My name is Jessica and I have somewhat of an idea of what I'm doing today. I'm definitely on this end of summer kick, so I'm going to do a look that's inspired by like a sunset over an ocean kind of thing. I've done a look like this before off my channel, so I'm going to try to recreate it here, and that's why I say I have somewhat of an idea of what I'm doing today. I'm going to start with my Morphe 35B palette and go into the matte yellow with my fluffy brush from Wish. And that is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, and I'm going into the matte red. That is going to be my crease shade. And it's definitely going to turn somewhat orange because red and yellow make orange, but that is okay. Less colors for me to add in that I don't have room for on my small hooded eyes. That looks good. Good job, Jessica. Next, I'm going in with my IBY crease brush, and I'm going into this matte purple here. And that is going deeper into my crease. And I know they don't sell this palette anymore, but you can definitely follow along with whatever reds, yellows, and purples that you have. This is just the best selection that I have. Next, I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and using my dollar store brush, I'm going to go into this glittery, shimmery, pinky shade here. That's going to be my brow bone highlight, and I'm hoping that the glitter will stay put. Because this glitter is mostly an overspray, unfortunately. I would have loved it if the glitter stayed in the shadow through all of its uses. Now moving into the Too Faced Then and Now palette. This thing is so big. I'm going into Chill Out, this dark glittery blue. Well, it's dark, but it's still like a royal blue. And that is going all over my lid. That's gonna be the ocean. Then going back into the Rio palette with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it, I'm going to go into this deep shimmery purple here. And that is going on my lower lash line. Very nice. I approve of my own look. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.